February 24th, 2021. Beautiful spring-like day. 47 degrees out. Last I looked at the thermometer. Just let the birds out. Let them out, move around. Everything is melting off. Feels very spring-like, and that is a huge relief. Huh, pretty birds? You glad to be outside, huh? Alright, this is going to be a quick video and a quick operation. It's February 24th, 2021. I had the outside temperature sensor go bad about a month and a half ago in the greenhouse here. And I just let it go for now because I didn't really need it, especially having the weather station now. I can see what outside temperatures are locally without the greenhouse temp sensor. But the warm weather that's coming on and the sun angle coming up and getting stronger, the greenhouse goes to extreme temperatures very rapidly now. In fact, we'll pull the chart up quick and you can see, you know, we're almost 100 degrees in here today already, and the sun just came out. In fact, you can see where the sun came out and the temperature just started skyrocketing. So I need to fix that sensor so that the vents can operate appropriately when it's warm enough out to open the vents and too hot in the greenhouse, so that we don't start cooking things in here. So I have to do that. I have one thermal sensor left. I believe it to be a good one. I hope it's a good one. And I've just stripped out the wires on it and I'm going to hook it up. And in order to do that, I just went in here quick and listed the directory with all the sensors that are currently connected. I'll add this one and then I'll list again, and that'll show this sensor up, and then I'll know which sensor is which, and then I'll plug that into the data collection code, and then later on when I get a chance I'll plug that into the venting control loop code, just so you see what's going on. So before I go soldering, I just real quickly wired it in, just wrapped the wires into the existing terminals, you might say. And then I came back over here, listed the directories again, and we have one more sensor in there. Sorry for the glare, but that worked. So I'm going to go ahead and solder that in now, and we should be good. So that's it, quick sensor addition, and I'll go in and straighten up the code for data collection, and then later on tonight or tomorrow when I get a chance I'll update the actual venting script and put that back online. So that's it. Chickens are finally out exploring, enjoying the spring weather. Tell them, Rooster. Say brrr. What you doing, birds? You enjoying this weather? It's nice to get out and move around, huh? Rooster, are you really messing with Mama Hen? She'll mess your world up, dude. Mama Hen's no joke. She'll mess your world up. You don't want to play with that. Aw, they're so happy to be out moving around. Well, 53 degrees out today. Oh, hey! Yep, we got bees flying out of that hive. So that's a good sign. Not looking too promising on these guys. Man, that's really sad. Let's take a look at our long hive. Hey guys, anybody home? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Bueller? That's not looking good either. Man, that sucks. I hope you found this interesting or informative. If you have questions, don't be afraid to do so down below. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. And remember, keep your friends close and your farmers closer.